Yeah, I didn't hear too much on my end. Maybe we had a lot of traffic, but it was real quiet. I got the antenna pointed down south, and I just got used to the sea, so I didn't hear nothing from the outback east there. Puka 6, how about it? 21 Guam.
Yeah, Roger, man. I got to go swing the antenna around, bring it up north to you, man. I'm still pointing into the islands. But no, it was me and Squiddy. 016 Boom Boom was out there trying to talk to Max. So I didn't want to tie up the channel, man. You know, we've still got the conditions with the islands there. So I didn't really want to tie it up there, Roger.
Yeah, 410 on that. Copy that, yeah.
You're really shining light on channel 6.
Around lunchtime, I had some pretty good conditions, so yeah, kind of talking back, but looked like opening out your way. But yeah, sounding good right here. You're putting about still 9 dB, so you still work a signal, even though you're not pointed directly to me. But I'm still picking up the edges there. I'm still picking up the edges of your beam there. Puka 6, 21G.
Hey, check on that there, 21G. I got you around about 5 to a 7, man. Anyway, let me just adjust this audio a bit, man. I got it in drive mode. Let me just bring it back. Hey, 21G, Puka 6, down under in clean mode there, break.
Yeah, I copy that there, Puka 6. I got that. I got all of that there, right there. Yeah, there's a sideband that goes by and getting in your pass there. It's getting in your pass band, man. Some sideband there, but you got enough dBs that I can still got a good copy on you. Puka 6 there. Yeah, we just enjoying this Sunday afternoon, man. The end of the weekend out here. About it, 21G.
Oh, there. Hey, Joel, give me about a minute. Give me a minute, man. I'm going to swing the house around. I got to Armstrong rotate this thing. Hey, 21G, I'll get back with you. Hello, right there, right now. Hey, 21G, Puka 6, got up.
Yeah, Puka 6, I got you, man. I got you dropping that hammer right there. So yeah, you ready to cherry patch? So you're in the range right now. So sounding good, man. You have to Armstrong that thing around, man. Well, it brought you about 2 dBs, man. You got extra 2 dBs out of that there. Puka 6, 21G.
Hey, check on that there, 21G. Oh, I want to do a test with you, man. I'm running breakaway 1 right now. Okay, so the audio's been processed by breakaway 1. I don't know how this is going to go. Hello, 1212. Hey, 21G. 10K wide, 10K bandwidth. I don't know if you heard the difference there. I'm sure you would have. I'll drop it back. Okay, that's 5.5. 5.5K bandwidth. Hey, did you hear the difference there, 21G? Puka 6 down under, come on.
Yeah, Puka 6, yeah, I just had to open up my receive there. I had to open up my receive. As you went wider in bandwidth, I opened up my receive, so yeah, I'll get a test the next time I go around. Yeah, I got something recording, so we'll see if it comes out there, but try it one more time there, Puka 6, 21G.
Oh dear, 21G. I'm starting from the bottom, keep it wide. That's 3K bandwidth. That's 4K bandwidth there. That's 5K bandwidth. 6K bandwidth. And where I like it, that's 7K bandwidth right there. And we'll just do the big jump, man. That's 10K bandwidth right there. Hey, 21G, hopefully your station picked it all up. Puka 6 got down.
Yeah, I got that, I picked it up there, Puka 6, strong signal level, so I got most of the recording. Yeah, as you went higher in bandwidth, you definitely hear the high end start coming in. This is at you at 10K right here.
Hey, 21G, hopefully your station picked it all up. Puka 6 got down.
Yeah, it's you at about 10K right there. Puka 6, you got a copy on the 21G.
How can I not have a copy?
21G.
21G.
Sorry about the echo. I'm just shutting breakaway down, and I've got to kick in stereo tools. So just bear with me, man. My eyesight sucks. I can't read the small writing. Okay, let me kick in stereo tools.
Okay. And load. And turn that off. Hey, 21G. We're on stereo tools. Might be a bit loud. Hey, 21G post right there, come on.
Yeah, hey, Puka 6, I got a copy on you all the way through there. I got a copy all the way through. It's recording, but I can go live on your page there if you want, and then you can hear yourself while we still got some of these conditions there, but...
Nah, the recording's good enough, man. Look, end of the day, I believe what you say. Hey, 21G, you told me it sounds bad? I believe you, bruh. Hey, 21G, I'm still trying to make adjustments on the fly, man. Look, I prefer breakaway, but yeah, I do prefer breakaway over stereo tools there, Roger.
Yeah, I think you said you're on the stereo tools right now. Yeah, it has a boom sound to it. It has a boomier sound. I can't describe it. It has a little boom to it, a little bassy sound, little on the heavy on the low end on that when you went through the stereo tools, I think. I think you switched over from breakaway over to stereo too, so yeah, that last one sounded nice, sounded like a lot of bass there, a lot of low end there. Puka 6, 21G, but
Yeah, I'm just trying to find, hello. Yeah, I've got to make some adjustments to the bass on it. The bastardizer really makes the bass rumble. I don't know, my headphones don't sound great with this. What if I, okay, how about there? Hey, 21G, they should have a nice tone, boomy bottom end there, Roger.
yeah, I'm trying to mess around with my receiver settings too. Noise reduction, trying to turn it on and off and try to get it the best I can, but it's still got the, if I turn on the noise reduction, then it gets all kind of digitally, as a digital artifact sound, and then if I turn it off, noise reduction has got a lot of static, so I just try to do a little bit right here. Didn't work. Looks like it's not working there, Puka 6. My recording thing, I pressed the wrong buttons there, break.
Hey, that's all right, man. Hey, I've been recording since we come here. I think I have. I've been recording since we come down here. Let me have a look. Yeah, I've been recording since we come here. I'll share with you, no problem, man. Hey, oh shit, hang on a minute. Try that. No. Anyway, I've been recording since we come here there, Roger.
Yeah, Roger that. Same here there, same here. I've been just keeping the record button on. I opened up to 10K, and I'm in synchronous synchronous AM mode to receive you too, so you got a nice dynamic range with the noise reduction on, but there might be a little bit little tone shifting from the DSP, but if I turn the noise reduction off, it gets really sounds clear, but it's static. There's a lot of static noise. So trying to find the right balance out here. You messing around with your transmit audio? I'm trying to dial in my receive audio for your wideband signal there, Puka 6 21G.
Well, I've gone back to breakaway there, 21G. Going back to breakaway. Stereo Tools has got too many knobs and dials to play with. Yeah, the asymmetry with breakaway, with the full-on AM, what do you call it, man? AM processing. It does allow me the positive peaks. Like, it's dialed up at the moment to 150% positive peaks. And when I drop it down, that's at 100%. It is noticeable on the output. But yeah, I'll bring it back up. That's at 150% positive peaks. And then I'll bring the modulation up a bit more. Okay. Hey, 21G. I don't know, on my headphones, I much prefer this over Stereo Tools, but I haven't really delved deeply enough into Stereo Tools yet. 21G out there around GUAM. Puka 6, gates still rolling.
Yeah, right back there, Puka 6. Yeah, I could hear the difference. I could hear the difference. You got it sounds a little more brighter on the breakaway. You switch back to breakaway, and it sounded a little brighter there for a bit there. And also when you did you were switching back and forth there. I noticed there was a little bit of tone change. I think you were switching something back and forth there, but I think it was the asymmetry. You were switching the asymmetry, so you got a little louder when you had more positive peaks. I could notice the difference just from the sound, and when you went back down to 100%, then yeah, you kind of went down in a little bit down in amplitude, but still got a good copy on you there, Puka 6 21G.
Yeah, Roger, man. Oh, I'm glad you heard it. I'm glad you noticed it. Like right now, that's asymmetry down to 100%. So, yeah, like I said, man, I'm glad you noticed it. I'm recording you directly from my Galaxy 979. It is wideband receive, but well, it's 750 modified wideband receive. It still picks up the highs and lows. It's quite amazing for a standard CB. But 21G, man. Yeah, Mother Nature's been shining on us immensely today. I've been talking mainland USA probably from about 7:30 this morning. I've been hearing them from about 4:30 in the morning. So today's been a very productive day on the radio front. 21G ain't nothing but your 06 postman down under. Right there, right now.
Yeah, I agree. It's been a pretty good day today. Conditions been pretty good, and like right now I'm enjoying an armchair copy coming out of your station, Puka 6. You just laying down that signal in. There's a little bit of skip fade, but nothing that I cannot get a good copy on you. It's just that the audio kind of fades out. But yeah, I did notice a difference on that positive peak. I guess you're limiting the negative peaks or putting some asymmetry in there. But yeah, I run that stereo too. So I run it with asymmetry. I haven't put the meter on. I've been just tuning by mic level and all that, but I must be hitting at least 150 in clipping the negative at 100%. So try to keep it clean without the distortion out here. The radiation station out there at Puka 6.
Yeah, no, you got no distortion, man. None that I can hear anyway. Your synchronous AM on that radio, on that transmitter you're using, does it give you the ability to receive synchronous AM stereo?
Not that I know of. It has a Suedo stereo. It just kind of sounds with the audio, but I don't believe it's a true stereo. But the synchronous AM does increase the seems like a dynamic range, so it sounds a little bit more louder, and I actually toned down I went from 10K I went down to 8K, and it sounds a little more smoother on my end, even though you just kind of clips off the edges of my receive bandwidth. So at 8K I'm just clipping off the edges of your signal there, looking at the display, so that kind of keeps the end, sometimes the way at the end you got a lot of high frequency static noise and all that, so we just kind of clip it right at about 8K, and I got a good, pretty good copy on you coming from your station in HiFi, Puka 6, 21G.
Yeah, Roger 21G. I just dialed it back to 6K bandwidth. Obviously, it's not fully filtering to allow it to. Well, actually, I see it right now. You're right. I am still hitting up around 8K. Maybe if I try and bring it. Okay, that's at 4.5K. So technically, I think I'll be seeing, or you'll be seeing on your scope, around 5.5, maybe 5.5K getting through there, Roger.
Actually, yeah, I get you still at 8, and it's kind of where the most of your audio power is, looking at the display. So I just clip off the edges. The edges, you got a lot of high frequency stuff that it kind of keeps the bandwidth consistent. I'll just clip it down. That's on my receive side, and on my transmit. Yeah, I'm transmitting about 8K right now. I'm kind of clipping it off at the EQ just before 8K, so it just drops off. So, and then the transmitter is brick walled at 8K on the high end and 50 hertz on the low end right now. So that's how I kind of tailor my transmit audio. But as far as the receive side, is always the have to get it dialed in. There's always I guess it's all due to the atmosphere or the skip and all that. Like that's when I thought I got it right, and then and next day it's all off. Yeah, it's always a challenge to get the receive side. The transmit side, I don't really touch it anymore. Puka 6, back to you, 21G.
Yeah, I just made another adjustment. I just made another adjustment. I thought the actual main program would do it, but not the case. Or it is, but it's not. I'm now running plug-in on breakaway, engineer's filter, and that's a low pass, high pass, about 55 hertz, up to 4,800, thereabouts. And that just changed it around about 80 hertz up to 7K. That was just a quick profile change. But that's a plugin that I use with Breakaway. Maybe that time round you noticed the difference there, 21G06.
Yeah, roger that. Right back there, 06. Yeah, I did notice that when you did the switch. You went to 7K. I noticed the high end started coming in a little more bright there, but I'm still clipped at about 8K. So you're still was right in the pass band that receive filter. Yeah, I'm on the 8K, but I can switch my profile too. It's just a profile on the transmitter. If I do that, then I'm switched down to 5K, about 100 hertz and 5K on the high end. I don't know, it might sound pretty terrible. I was back to the, right back now, I'm back to the 8K high end and 50 hertz on the low end. So yeah, I can just switch the profile on the fly with the radio, and all the settings just kind of track as I switch on the fly. About it, Puka 6, 21G.
Yeah, much better, man. Yeah, the 5K just didn't cut it, brother. I guess it's an acquired taste, yeah? It's like a good wine. Once you've had a taste of hi-fi, going back to normal just ain't... I don't know, man. It's like someone's giving me sour wine there, Roger.
Yeah, right back there, Puka 6. Yeah, I just that other 5K profile was it's probably not EQ'd properly. Yeah, there's a limitation when I switch the profile. I have to maintain the same EQ settings. I don't want to change the EQ settings from this setting. That's why when I switch to the other setting, I think it's not optimum, but it's okay. It's okay. I just was experimenting a bit there. You're right there, Puka 6 there. I don't know what you're saying. You say somebody's keying down on you or getting in the, I don't hear nothing on my end there. Still pretty quiet on the channel. Puka 6, 21G.
Oh, no, man, I was saying when you changed that audio, it just wasn't, it wasn't good, man. You know, once you've had a taste of hi-fi, listening to non-hi-fi just doesn't sound right, man. Hey, 21G, but no, I've still got a good copy on you, man. The reason I was asking about the AM stereo, I wasn't too sure if the radio had the capabilities to receive CQAM. CQAM, AM stereo there, right?
No, they're negative. Doesn't do the CQAM, not the AM stereo. Yeah, I know what you're talking about. I know exactly what you're talking about. But yeah, this radio doesn't do that though. But we got good signal level now. We could go FM if we wanted to. I don't know how your setup is over there. There, Puka 6, 21G.
I'm just on a Galaxy 979 there, brother. No FM on this radio. Just AM and SSB there, Roger.
Roger that. Okay, there. Yeah. Sometimes when you got propagation there, and then makes it try the FM, but yeah, I copy that. Yeah, you're still sounding good here. I hear some stations kind of in the background, but look like they either I don't know where they're coming from, but all I got you right now is Puka 6 in my receive. You just laying it down out here, Puka 6, 21G.
Yeah, and by now you're getting bored of listening to me. Hey, Joel, let me take a standby in case there's anyone else down under wanting to say hello your way. 21G, Puka 6, postman down under. I'll be standing by for a short bit. See who else out there wants to say hello your way.
Yeah, they're Puka 6. Yeah, I hear something, but I can't make it out there. I can't make it out. So, yeah, we just got the channel right here, right now. Puka 6, 21 Guam.
Well, see if anyone else is there. They might be listening to you and they can't hear me. So, see if you got anyone else out there, man. You know, they've been patiently on the side, if they're there. Hey, 21G, I'll stand by again, man. Put a call out. See if anyone wants to come back here.
Yeah, I hear. How about it there? Japan, Radio Japan. I hear you there, Radio Japan. Konnichiwa, 21 Guam. Yeah, we had the Japan radio, but he disappeared. 21 Guam on the mill. We're looking down under right now, 21G.
Yeah, I'm hearing something too, man. Wasn't sure if it was Radio Japan or mainland.
I can't pull them in there. I don't got the conditions out here. I just got conditions out down there in Melbourne. 21G.
Yeah, I'm hearing people dibbing and dabbing out there. Not too sure if it was Japan though, Joel. I thought it was mainland USA, to be quite honest.
Yeah, you got the conditions, and I got no conditions. There was a station from Japan. He's trying to get anybody disappeared too. So, yeah, conditions kind of moving around out here. But yeah, man, I still got contact with you. I still got a good signal with you, especially out here in the AM. You know, I'll listen on the lower side band, and if I can hear any action, spin the dial up to the 1-1. And glad I did. Glad I made some contact here with you, the Puka 6 21G.
Oh, absolutely, 100% there, Joel. 21G, Puka 6 returning. Yeah, I always look forward to a contact with you, man. But I know that you drum up a lot of traffic from down under. Hey, but I've been meaning to ask you, did you end up getting that L2 up and running?
Yeah, right back there, Puka 6. Yeah, Puka 6. Sorry, I got distracted there for a moment there. You're asking about something if I got it running there. Puka 6, one more time, 21G.
Yeah, I was just asking, did you end up getting that L2, that 2-element quad up? I'm curious there, are you?
No negative, not yet. That's kind of a plan that got kind of pushed aside for a little bit. But look like I'll be revisiting that again. Either get the L2 or I have some other thing that I was planning. I was trying to build one, put one homebrew little quad together too. So I was thinking of a 3-element, and I got all the parts to do it already. We're kind of slowly accumulating some of the parts and ordering some stuff from Cubic, and I got enough to make a 3-element crab there. But yeah, the L2 was kind of like I started, but I got pulled away by other projects. But we're gonna get that going. We're gonna get something going. We're gonna definitely have a crowd going. Whether it's the L2 or the 3-element that I plan to put together. The Puka 6 21G.
Hey, 21G, Puka 6 returning. So what are you talking on right now? What antenna are you using right now? That's what I'm curious on. A Puka, shit, man. 21G, Puka 6.
Yeah, Puka 6, yeah, I'm still on the 4-element flat side. I'm still on the 4-element on the flat side, or the huli rack, or whatever they call it there. I still got the 4-element, so it's actually doing pretty well there, so it's just that time to try a little change and try a different setup here, but still running my old 4-element, and let's see, it hasn't let me down yet there, Puka 6.
Roger that there, 21G. So, a 4-element huli. Look, I was a huli man a long time, man. But I tell you, the quad converted me. Hey, 21G. I went from my 6-element huli on a 42-foot boom to this 4-element quad on the 20-foot boom. And I can seriously say night and day difference. So definitely worth the effort. Hey, 21G, definitely worth the effort. 21G, Puka 6, come on.
Yeah, I hear you there, I hear you. So hopefully I get the same kind of assessment that you guys got over there. So I'm going to find out for myself soon. Like I say, either the L2 or the 3-element is going to go, one of the two is going to go up. But I got some work to do on the tower itself, so I got to bring everything down and do that before I get anything really more, get the serious metal in the air there. I just run maybe just the 2-element just to while everything's down. But yeah, it's coming soon, and hopefully it'll be sooner than later. And, we just got pulled away by other projects and other things. Kind of got in the way, but yeah, And of course, the conditions. Anytime there's conditions, is like gotta work the conditions. You gotta work the hardware and all that later on, but gotta work the conditions there. Come on.
Yeah, I know, man. You got to get your priorities in order. Hey, 21G. I understand. You got to get your priorities in order. Mother Nature roll in. 21G Talk Radio. Mother Nature roll out. Other projects in the way. Mother Nature roll in as he's about to work on his quad. Mother Nature take over. I know how it goes, man. I have chores that I need to do every day, but can't get round to them. 21G, Booker 6.
Exactly, that's right there. Yeah, I almost hope for a weekend without conditions. But by the time I figure it out, it'll be like the weekend's over. So I just gotta, I just gotta get it going. But I just haven't had the desire to do it. The conditions been not bad. The conditions been pretty good lately. So I guess I just gotta get it through. I just gotta get it through. That the cycle is on the up. So the conditions will always be there. I don't have to try to grab every single shred of conditions. Mother Nature got a lot to dish out. So anyway, yeah, hey, Cougar 6, you started to fade into the static and you came back up. So conditions might be moving out to the west, but really enjoyed the contact out here, and I'm surprised the conditions held as long as it did. Cougar 6, 21G.
Hey, 21G. I'm going to really try this. I hope you can hear me. Hey, 21G. 4 Bird Watts. 21G, Booker 6, 4 Bird Watts. Got up. Hey, 21G. Booker 6 with 4 Bird Watts. Break.
Into the noise. I don't know if you still got a copy. Take care, Booker 6. Thanks much for the contact, Dave. We still got a copy. Have a good afternoon and the rest of the weekend. 21 Guam, waving dance. Half a day from Guam.
Hi there, 21G. I just went down to 4 Bird Watts, but Mother Nature must have dropped out. 21G. Pleasure be all on my end. I'll upload this gate to my YouTube. I'll share a link on your channel. 21G, your friend on this end. Booker 6, postman waving now. See ya.
All right there, Posty. Take them easy. Take them care there, yeah. Yeah, we still got it going on. All right, take care. Have a good afternoon. 21 Guam. Waving man. Bye-bye.
Half a day. 21G, Booker 6, wave. And I heard you too there, number 2 out there around the Big Island. Number 2, Booker 6 down on the waving.